Snoring like a wildcat in the Alabama backwoods. That's not it.
Holy fuck. Eso.
¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó? No, no más, no más.
No más.
There it is. There it is. Panama TV. Son of a beach.
Son of a bitch.
I love Peru.
Hey, we'll be back, alright? Just go back to sleep. We'll come
be back in 10 minutes, bro.
Yeah, alright.
10 minutes. And there it is. That's Panama TV in Peru.
Did you hear him snoring? I wish we could go into fucking Tank's bedroom and fuck with him,
You
but
wanted to go to my bedroom, remember? It's not gonna happen, bro.
what you kind of queer shit you talking about? You want to like make steak? You want to make bacon? You want to make steak? You want to make bacon?
Maybe some other night, dude.
Yeah, maybe sometime in Baghdad we'll get on you. Alright, so what the fuck? Standing here at the bottom of the stairs. Alright, well.
How do you plan that, dude?
Like an aborigine.
Goddamn aboriginals.
Goddamn foreign armies. Alright, we're shutting her out. Here's the L98.